Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to repost Instagram story with background. This is quite a simple and easy thing to do. So make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea of how you can do this. In order to repost something with a background of your choice, quickly select the piece of content that you want to repost. Let's say I want to repost this reel here in my account. So I click on add to story, and now you will see that you can change the background color quite easily, but you cannot put a custom picture behind. Now how do you do this? Quickly click on stickers, click on photo, and then select the picture that you want to use as a background. Now make sure you enlarge it all the way, to make sure that it covers the entire frame. Then you can long press on the image and swipe up or down to get the layer to go back, and your story will be now visible in the front. This used to be a tricky process, but now Instagram has put a feature where you can do this easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just long press on the story, swipe up or down to make sure that you align the layers according to your need. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to repost an Instagram story with the background of your choice. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.